My thoughts and prayers go out to every single one of you as we navigate through this virus in uncharted territory here. I just wanted to reach out and say I'm thinking about you, and I am here to help. My family is here to help. Anything we can do, please just reach out and let me know. As the first of the month comes around, mortgage payments are due. As you have heard by now, there is some forbearance offerings going on. First and foremost, I would suggest that if you are able, still working and comfortable, please pay your mortgage payment. At this time, the lending industry is under a huge amount of stress, and people paying their mortgage is going to really help us through those times, make financing come out of this a little bit quicker. As you know, interest rates have been very low, so there was a huge number of refinances. Those refinances that have closed or are closing in the next week or two, you will be skipping payments anyways through that process. It's very important we make that first mortgage payment. Do whatever you can, as if you do not make that mortgage payment, it has a huge effect, forbearance or not, on the lender and their ability to service new loans or refinance other loans. So that's the first reason, is the lending industry needs us to pay our mortgage if at all possible. The second reason is pretty obvious. The more we take advantage of this situation, the less will be available for people who actually need it. I'm not here to tell you you need it or you don't. I'm just here to tell you that there are absolutely people in our community that need this forbearance, and if we limit our use of it to just the people that need it, then we will absolutely come out of this quicker and for the better in the mortgage industry. And thirdly, really about your own credit and your own situation. No matter what happens, if they take the payments and put them towards the end, you're going to pay interest on those for the life of the loan. If they, delay your payment for 3 months and then say they're all due at that 90th day, so you're technically making 4 payments on that 90th day, that's really not good for anyone. That'll lead us to some foreclosures and some major issues. There's nothing to say that if you can't pay your mortgage today, that in 90 days you'll be able to make 4 mortgage payments. That doesn't make sense. So there's going to be all sorts of different solutions and deciphering of what the government has put out there. It won't apply to some loans, it will apply to others. Just make sure you're talking with your servicer and making an educated decision on if you're going to take advantage of the forbearance or you need to take advantage of it. And make sure that however it goes, you are taking it, you're understanding the ramifications it has on you personally. I do know for a fact that one late mortgage payment could affect your, or missed mortgage payment could affect your credit by 100 points. If that happens, it's going to have a serious effect on your ability to get financing for a home in the future, refinancing your home. As you may have heard, some of the lending partners are raising their minimum credit score up to 660. Obviously, if you're looking at getting a loan in the near future, we will discuss that. But if that hangs on for any amount of time, you miss a mortgage payment, say you get caught up, and then in 2 to 3 years, you need to refinance, you need to pull some cash out, you need to move up in a house or something like that, your ability to finance that home is going to be affected by not making these payments. So not doing this to scare anybody that absolutely needs it, but definitely be aware of how it's going to work for you, and call your servicer directly, get the information, and then you can contact me. I can put you in contact with any of my lending partners. I'd be more than happy to explain to you what is actually going to happen and what effects it will have on you. As the people that are taking these calls, 1, may not know, and 2, will use language that may not be familiar to you. So I just want you all to be informed. Again, if you need anything during this time, please let me know. If you contact your servicer and don't feel like you're getting the answers you need or the help you need, please reach out, and I would be happy to help you in any way possible navigate this terrible time. And just know we're thinking about you. Would love to connect on a Zoom call or something, happy hour anytime, play a game, anything like that. Just take this time to try and not stress out too much, reground, and find the positive in it. So again, if there's anything you need, please reach out. You know where to find me. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks and have a great day.